poured?
Fuck off.
This is Stephanie.
Shut the fuck up.
Cleaning shake off of the floor in the library.
It's Borders.
I mean, yeah, Borders. I'd say we should just get him and walk away.
No, I will attack you and I will throw this on you.
Oh my goodness.
Now let's need to find someone actually
You need to go get somebody.
who actually works here that just like clean it up. But I cleaned it up as good as I can. Please lose your money.
Whatever. Go get somebody, Stephanie.
Somebody works here! Help me! This is that.
Oh, jeez.
I wish we still had our napkins.
Go get somebody, Stephanie. Everybody's looking at us.
Well, I wonder why. Look at you laugh.
Oh, jeez.
You're dying. You're like a monkey. I don't know why it's like a monkey.
Let's just get up and walk away, Stephanie.
That's so fucked up. Did I want to? Don't we do that?
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at how much is left in there. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. My boobies hurt.
Clean up the shake.
Shake that thing. Blah, 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 blah.
Do you see all the books?
Not the library. Libraries don't have books.
What? Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
Does that say diaper? Oh, no.
No, we got the most random video.
Oh, my